Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta alla puttanesca like an Italian. First, let's gather our simple yet flavorful ingredients. You'll need a can of quality San Marzano tomatoes, about 1/4 cup of Kalamata olives, and 2 tablespoons of capers. Don't forget fresh garlic, a couple of anchovy fillets for depth, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. This dish comes together quickly with these pantry staples. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of good olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 2 anchovy fillets, cooking until the anchovies dissolve and the garlic is fragrant, about 2 minutes. Stir in a pinch of red pepper flakes. Then, add your crushed San Marzano tomatoes, letting them simmer gently for about 15 minutes to deepen the flavors. With the tomato base simmering beautifully, it's time to introduce the stars of puttanesca. Stir in about 1/4 cup of pitted Kalamata olives and 2 tablespoons of briny capers. Let these cook with the sauce for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing their flavors to meld. Meanwhile, cook your favorite pasta, like spaghetti, until it's perfectly al dente, remembering to reserve about 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water. Finally, combine your perfectly cooked pasta with the rich puttanesca sauce. Toss everything together, adding a splash or 2 of that reserved pasta water to create a silky, emulsified sauce that clings beautifully to the pasta. Garnish with fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and freshness. This easy method brings authentic Italian flavors right to your table. Don't forget to check the description for the Alla water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.